Hello, my friends, come sing with me. Let's meet the jungle family. I'm a lion, big and strong. I love to sing my song. I'm a tiger, full of fun. I like to dance and run. I'm an elephant, kind and gray. I help my friends each day. I'm a giraffe, I reach so high. I touch the bright blue sky. I'm a zebra, black and white. I smile and feel alright. I'm a fox, I like to play. I run and jump all day. I'm a croc, I splash around. I make a funny sound. I'm a monkey in the trees. I swing and laugh with ease. I'm a parrot, green and red. I say the words you said. I'm a flamingo, pink and neat. I dance upon my feet. I'm a butterfly in the air. I fly without a care. I'm a snake, I like to slide. I wiggle side to side. I'm a sloth, I move so slow. I take my time, you know. I'm a hippo, big and round. I splash and stomp around. I'm a leopard, fast and bright. I love to run at night. I'm a frog, I jump so high. I croak beneath the sky. I'm an orangutan, so strong. My arms are very long. I'm a toucan, black and blue. My beak is bright and new. I'm a peacock, proud and fine. Look how my feathers shine. Now our jungle friends all cheer. Thank you, friends, for being here. We dance, we sing, we clap our hands. We love our jungle.